My name is Dalton Russell. Recently, I planned and set in motion events to execute the perfect bank robbery.
뉴욕 맨하튼 신탁은행 앞에 작업복을 입은 사람들이 검은색 밴에서 짐을 내리고 있습니다. 은행 안엔 많은 사람들이 업무를 보고 있었는데
Yeah, we'll get lobster. I'll put it on Mr. Anzanore's cod. I want to snap this guy's neck, I swear to God.
잠시 뒤 작업복을 입은 사람들이 들어오더니 적외선 플래시를 이용해 CCTV를 무력화시킵니다.
Fucking bang.
그리고 작업복을 입은 다른 사람들도 들어오고 은행 문을 봉쇄하죠.
Excuse me, sir.
Easy.
Everybody get down on the fucking floor now! 4 seconds. Anyone still standing gets shot.
Put your hands on the floor, now!
My friends and I are making a very large withdrawal from this bank.
Hey, officer, there's smoke coming out of there.
Possible 10:30, Manhattan Trust, 20 Exchange.
I have got hostages.
Central, give me an 85. Back up, sir, back up! Central, give me an 85. I repeat, possible hostages. 20 Exchange, Manhattan Trust.
한편 NIPD 형사 키스 프레지어는
I'm fighting for my life.
마약범들이 파놓은 함정에 빠져 징계를 받은 상태였고 그런데 은행 강도 사건으로 출동 명령을 받게 됩니다.
Oh shit! Bank robbery. Grossman's on vacation. You're up. The Madrigada. As far as I'm concerned, you still work here.
프레지어와 미첼 형사는 곧장 현장으로 향하죠.
Now, bad guys, here I come.
Back around the corner. Get those people back! Get them the hell out of here!
한편
Mr. Case, sir, there's a robbery in progress at one of our branches.
Which branch is it?
Number 32, 20 Exchange Place.
Oh, my.
I'm sorry, Mr. Case.
맨하튼 신탁은행의 회장 아서 케이스도 이 소식을 듣게 됩니다.
Oh, dear God.
Sergeant Collins, first on scene. The hostage negotiator.
Detective Mitchell, what do you got?
Try to take a look inside, and one of the gunmen opens the door, sticks a 357 in
You got
my...
anything inside?
No, sir, but with that 357 sticking in my...
Good.
그 시각
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to me?
Bank employees this side, over there.
은행 강도들은 사람들을 금고 앞에 모이게 하고 핸드폰과 열쇠를 압수하기 시작하죠. 그런데 한 남자가 핸드폰을 집에 두고 왔다 말합니다.
What's your name?
Peter Hammond.
Where's your cell phone, Peter Hammond?
I left it at home.
강도는 압수한 휴대폰을 뒤져 피터의 휴대폰을 찾아내죠.
Anyone else here smarter than me? Men here, women here.
강도들은 인질들의 성별을 구별하고
All of you to strip down to your underwear.
사람들의 옷을 모두 벗겨 자신들과 똑같은 작업복을 입게 합니다.
I need all of you to put on one of these suits and these masks.
한편 현장에 도착한 프레지어와 미첼.
So what do we got?
Bank and about 1 million spectators, and I can't see shit in.
그 시각 인질 중 한 명이 가슴 통증을 호소하고 강도들은 그를 풀어줍니다.
Put down your fucking weapon! Don't move!
They sent me down here. If you come near the bank, he'll throw out 2 dead bodies.
Was it a time where I thought I might not see my family and kids? Yeah, those are my babies.
뉴욕 한복판에 있는 은행을 점령한 강도들은 수많은 현금을 뒤로하고 은행에 있는 개인 금고함으로 향합니다. 한편 고위층만 상대하는 변호사 메들린에게 은행장 아서 케이스가 도움을 요청하는데
This is Madeline White.
Miss White, I'm Arthur Case. I have a small problem which requires someone...
A kind of genius plan, throwing us out of whack, and...
All I know is that they called each other Steven, Steve-O, Stevie. Told me to speak.
You're lying to me. Tell me the truth. Now you're lying.
They had AK-47s out.
He thinks there's 4 perps. Says they came in dressed as painters.
Yeah, I'm not calling him yet. Beg your pardon. I'm not going to call him and ask what I can do for him. Let's see what he does.
메들린을 만난 은행장은 한 가지 부탁을 하고
Well, you say that there are family heirlooms inside your safety deposit box.
그는 은행 보관함에 있는 자신의 물건을 강도들이 손대지 못하게 해달라 합니다.
The contents of that box are of great value to me.
And if they're exposed?
I'll face some difficult questions.
한편 강도들 중에 스티브가 창고에 땅을 부수고 있었는데
Guess what I found?
형사들은 강도들이 타고 온 차를 발견합니다.
Probably stolen.
Adam, run it, check it for prints.
이후 프레지어는 협상을 위해 은행으로 전화하는데
Sure you got the right number?
Absolutely.
강도는 전화를 받지 않습니다.
Okay, nothing yet. We got video. What happened to that camera right there? Yeah, there it is. That guy right there. It's like he blinds the camera with the flashlight. Isn't it? It's like nobody else sees it.
See, humans can't see it, but a video camera will pick it up.
그때 은행에서 인질 한 명이 더 풀려나는데
Put down the fucking weapon!
인질이 메고 있던 철제 가방에는 버스와 비행기를 밤 9시까지 준비하라는 강도들의 요구가 적혀 있었습니다.
Till I talk to them, they get nothing, not even a cup of coffee.
그리고 은행장이 현장을 찾아오는데
Excuse me, detectives. This is off the case of the bank. You want to talk?
Anything in particular you think we should know?
Have they made any demands?
They want a jet.
Would you like me to arrange one for you?
It's quite all right, Mr. Case.
Would like to stay here.
Where can we reach you if we need anything?
그때 은행 정문이 열리고 강도들은 50인분의 음식을 요구합니다.
50 hungry people need food now.
All right. We ready with the listening devices?
경찰은 피자 박스에 감청기를 숨겨 그들에게 전달하기로 하고
One guy did most of the talking.
So they were talking amongst themselves.
I have problems with my hearing. I wear hearing aids.
Let's see. Let me see. What's the red part there? What's that?
And to distinguish right from left.
Steve. Stevie? Steve-O?
I'm sorry?
Were you involved in this robbery?
Absolutely not.
프레지어는 음식을 전달하며 드디어 강도와 첫 대면을 합니다.
Okay. I hope the pizzas are okay. They might be a little cold. I would love to talk to you. Nice talking to you.
그러나 도청기에서 들려오는 소리는 알 수 없는 나라의 언어로 도저히 해석할 수 없었죠. 한편 은행 내부에서는 강도들이 인질들 사이에서 인질인 척 연극을 합니다.
She was on line in front of me. This guy was to my right. I remember her.
Why do you remember her?
Great tits.
This guy, he almost got us all killed. They put 8 or 9 of us in an office, took off his mask.
You see him again after that?
No.
그 시각
What the fuck? This ain't Russian.
That's it. I mean, you're the language expert.
What do you think?
Well, this is New York City. Somebody on the street must know what it is. Bert, play that over the speaker for me. Excuse me. Does anybody know what language they're speaking?
한 남자가 도청기에서 들려오는 소리가 알바니아어라고 말하죠.
What are they saying?
I have no idea what they're saying.
하지만 남자는 알바니아어를 할 줄 몰랐고 전처가 알바니아인이어서 확실하다 말하죠. 그러자 프레지어는 전처에게 전화를 걸어 이곳으로 오라 말하는데
Who's Detective Fraser? I have the Elena Maria over here.
Miritia.
그렇게 도착한 일리나는 자신의 주차 딱지를 해결해주는 조건으로 강도들의 대화를 해석해줍니다.
What's so funny?
I know what they're talking about.
Who?
He was the president of Albania, and Verhoja is dead. There's a tape of him discussing how Albanian people are great. It's in Verhoja.
그들은 경찰이 도청할 것이라는 걸 예상하고 경찰들을 가지고 놀고 있었죠. 한편 스티비가 392번 보관함에 자물쇠를 땁니다. 보관함에는 서류 봉투와 다이아가 있었는데 강도는 서류 봉투만 챙겨 나갑니다. 그 시각 뉴욕 시장과 메들린이 프레지어를 찾아옵니다.
Detective Fraser, nice to meet you. Swipe may be able to assist her. She has a certain amount of influence.
What do you have in mind?
There are matters at stake here that are a little bit above your pay grade.
Why don't you just tell the mayor to raise my pay grade to the proper level and
이후 프레지어는 강도와 첫 통화를 하게 되는데
Is this the president of Albania?
Shouldn't eavesdrop on people.
강도는 요구사항을 9시까지 들어주지 않을 경우 영구차를 준비해야 할 것이라며 협박합니다.
You know, it's not like the city of New York has 747s waiting around for days.
Then you might as well send a hearse.
Let's just try to keep everybody calm, okay?
협상이 되지 않아 머리 아픈 프레지어는 잠시 뒤 강도에게 시간을 더 달라 부탁하고 이에 강도는 문제 하나를 내죠.
Okay, it's just gonna take a few more hours. More time. You get what you want. You don't give me the time, you don't get what you want. You got nothing to lose.
I got a question for you. You get it right, I'll give you more time. Which way's more? All the trains that pass through Grand Central or the trees cut down to print all U.S. currency?
It's a trap. They both weigh the same. Tell them they both weigh the same thing. Got it?
Well,
They both weigh the same.
this time send sandwiches.
Pretty good.
얼마 뒤 메들린은 자신이 범인과 통화해보겠다 프레지어에게 부탁하고
Someone here wants to talk to you.
What matters is what I can offer you.
What's that? I doubt that.
Well, if I can be assured that certain interests are protected, I might be able to help you get what you came for.
Come on in.
그렇게 메들린은 혼자 은행 안으로 들어가 강도와 협상하게 되죠.
What makes you think I need help?
Here's what I'm thinking. When you get out, put it someplace safe, and it'll be waiting for you when you get out.
But no thanks. Let me tell you a story.
강도는 은행장 아서가 2차 세계대전 때 유대인을 팔아 막대한 부를 얻게 됐다 말하며 그런 이유로 이곳 맨하튼 은행을 털었다고 말하죠.
Does this sound like it might be the man you work for? So what the hell can you do for me?
Problem, and you start becoming my solution.
What is it you want?
Safety deposit box room. I just need to go to one box.
Looking for this? Now, if the day ever comes where I have to stand, you and your boss will do whatever it takes to help me.
You're not going to tell me how you're planning to get out of here.
I'm gonna walk right out the front door. You can cover them up for a while, but they don't go away.
So we spoke.
Oh, no, you're gonna have to give me more than that.
Surrender and get off with a lighter sentence.
And?
And that was basically it.
이후 프레지어는 요구한 비행기가 준비됐다 거짓말하며 인질들이 무사한지 직접 확인하겠다 말합니다.
You gotta be crazy to go in there.
그렇게 프레지어는 은행으로 들어가고
Downstairs.
붙잡혀 있는 인질들을 모두 확인하게 되는데
Can I ask you a question?
There's nothing to talk about.
I'm this close to ordering it.
Let's cut the crap. You want to bullshit me? Try harder.
그때 프레지어가 악수를 하는 척하더니 강도를 덮칩니다.
Hey! We done?
Buses, Kojak, parked outside.
이후 강도들은 더 이상 시간을 지체하지 않고 상황을 끝내기로 결정하죠.
How long? Man? 2, maybe 3 hours.
What happened? I gave him every excuse to blow my brains. He doesn't bite. We know that they planned this whole thing, the tape, the cameras. He's up to something, but it ain't violence. I'm listening.
How's the reception?
What are you doing? This is your fault. I told you to get the buses.
I got 50 more people in here. You fuck with me again.
We got a big problem.
결국 인질의 죽음으로 상사가 프레지어를 찾아오고
If you're going down on this one, I can't go with you.
Right. But I can end this.
It is ended.
프레지어는 이번 사건에서 빠지게 됩니다.
First, this is the only way in.
프레지어를 대신해 데리우스가 지휘를 맡아 특공대를 투입시키기로 합니다.
If we can get 2 or 3 upstairs and take them out.
This goes down wrong.
I'm making first grade.
Fuck does that
You
mean?
thank the mayor and our mystery guest for that.
You cut a deal with those guys?
Everybody's getting theirs. I'm gonna get mine.
이후 프레지어는 처음 은행 강도를 마주친 경찰과 대화를 하다 뭔가가 떠오릅니다.
What you doing?
They bought this. Darius, don't make a move.
What are you talking about?
They heard everything we said in the MCC.
No. I'm going in.
Shit.
All right! Everybody go!
The fucking stairs! No!
결국 강도들은 인질들 속에 숨어 밖으로 나옵니다. 그런데 우두머리였던 달튼의 모습이 보이지 않았고 경찰들은 은행 내부를 샅샅이 조사하기 시작하죠.
Clear. Check in the office. All clear, Sarge. All clear, Sarge.
Let's go, guys. Team in, let's go.
We're almost clear down here.
Make sure you're sure.
Find a dead hostage?
Negative. They forgot to rob the joint. Damage.
There's nothing missing.
Hey, guys! What do you got?
You're gonna love this one. Toy guns.
Cap, come to the ladies' room.
Check it out. You can stop looking for that body.
이후 인질들 사이에 범인이 있다 생각한 프레지어는 모든 인질들을 조사하지만
Person 1.
범인들의 인질 연기로 인해 서로가 인질인 줄 알았기에 아무도 범인을 지목하지 못했죠. 결국 아무런 증거도 찾지 못하자 반장은 사건을 덮으라 지시합니다.
Bury it. Bury it? You got no robbery. No suspect.
그리고 프레지어가 쓴 누명이 해결됐다 말하죠.
They found that missing Madrugada money. You want to know where it was?
I don't want to know.
이후 프레지어는 개인적으로 수사를 계속 진행하기로 결정하고 은행 보관함 목록에서 392번 기록만 누락되어 있다는 걸 발견합니다.
Pinstripe mayonnaise lying motherfucker.
What are you doing, detective?
Who's case hide?
Gave me what I wanted. Your career is let it go, detective.
이후 은행장을 찾아간 메들린.
Good morning.
Ah, Mrs. White. Well, what did he say?
But I just fast-tracked his career a little, and he's under control.
Tell me about the envelope.
Well, the gang leader is going to hang on to a very low opinion of you.
It was 60 years ago. I was young and ambitious. I sold my soul.
아서는 자신이 유대인을 팔아넘긴 나치 전범이었다는 걸 메들린에게 고백하며 자신의 비밀을 지켜달라 말하죠.
We're listing you as a reference.
한편 일주일의 시간이 지나고 은행 창고의 벽에서 강도의 우두머리 달튼이 나타납니다.
Oh, shit. They caught Frazier and his partner walking into the bank.
Sorry. Excuse me.
Just like he planned.
Oh, thank God.
Where is it?
I left it in good hands.
We're here to open the safe deposit box number 3.
This way, detectives.
I'm no martyr. I was stealing from a man.
Let me get that. Oh.
Follow the ring.
Oh, Detective Frazier. Nobody got killed at the bank. Everybody's happy. You see, I got a case. Zeit, the vinegar zoot, the robbers disappeared. Poof. Not quite sure I like your baby. Give me a straight answer. What do you think happened? Safe deposit box 392. What's the story on that?
I have spent my whole life serving humanity.
You think they'll vouch for you after I find out the truth about this ring?
Hey, Keith, let me see your shoe.
What?
Because I have never seen anybody put their foot that far up a guy.
이후 프레지어는 뉴욕 시장을 찾아오고
Looking for the mayor? Blood on the streets. Somebody's got to go to jail.
What's this about, Detective?
This is the number office in Washington, D.C.
I Would you like to be on the front page of the New York Times?
That'd be great.
War crimes, huh?
퇴근 후 집으로 돌아온 그는 여자친구와 사랑을 나누기 위해 옷을 벗던 중 주머니에 뭔가가 들어있음을 느낍니다. 그건 바로 다이아몬드였습니다.
Sorry.
Why don't you just walk out the door?
I will.
낮에 은행에서 부딪혔던 그가 범인이었음을 직감하며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 영화는 윌 스트리트에 위치한 한 은행이 알 수 없는 무장 강도에 의해 순식간에 점령당하며 범인과의 인질이 누구인지 몇 명인지도 알 수 없는 혼란 속에 유능한 협상가 키스 프레지어가 투입되며 벌어지는 사건을 다룬 2006년에 개봉한 인사이드맨입니다. 20년 전에 개봉한 영화임에도 지금 개봉해도 손색이 없고 유능한 협상가를 맡은 덴젤 워싱턴과 치밀한 계획으로 은행을 점령한 강도 클라이브 오웬은 최고의 연기를 보여주며 영화를 더욱더 재미있게 시청할 수 있었습니다. 영화에서 보여드리지 못한 내용이 많으니 영상을 보시고 나서라도 영화를 꼭 다시 한번 풀버전으로 보시는 것을 추천드립니다. 재밌게 보셨다면 구독과 좋아요 부탁드리며 지금까지 미스터리 시네였습니다. 감사합니다.